Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, math teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you exercise 7 examples. I have taken question number 11. In the given figure, AB parallel to D, that is AB parallel to D, and BD parallel to EF, BD parallel to EF, that is the BD parallel to EF, that is BD parallel to EF. Prove that DC square is equal to CF into AC. So that solution is the first thing, in triangle, that triangle is ABC, taken triangle A, B and C. Now AB parallel to this line, that line is D. AB parallel to D. AB parallel to D. So use of Thales theorem, AB parallel to D means these types of, that is AB parallel to D. So that is the AB parallel to D means AB and D is parallel. So now these types of triangle are in use Thales theorem. So that is taken CD by DA, CD and DA, that portion is DA, is equal to, that is CD, then taken CE, and that is EB, So that EB is by using Thales theorem, So that is the equation number first. Now in triangle CDB, now triangle CDB, C, D and B. So that triangle is, that is the line is this line, and that is the line of CDB, means this triangle CDB. Now this triangle is parallel to this line, that is F and E, that is parallel to FE. So that is FE parallel to DB. So now use by Thales theorem. So that triangle, that is the parallel to DB parallel to FE. Now using Thales theorem, that is taken CF, that is CF and FD, that portion is CF and that portion is FD, is equal to, that is CE by EB. By using Thales theorem, that is equation number second. So our triangle is this, and this types to change, and using Thales theorem separate by separate from equation 1 and 2, from equation first and second, we get, that is CD by DA, CE by EB, and that is also CE by EB. So that is written equal to CF by FD. that is written in CF by FD. Now that is taking reciprocal, that is DA by CD and equal to FD by CF. So now use DA by CD plus 1 equal to FD by CF plus 1. Both side 1 is add, that is through corollary. So now that corollary, that is use of this, that is find out to this DA plus CD divided by CD is equal to FD plus CF divided by CF. So DA plus CD, that is DA plus CD is equal to, that is AC by CD is equal to FD plus CF. FD, that is FD plus CF. So that is equal to CD and divided by CF. So cross multiplication, that is equal to, that is AC into CF is equal to CD into CD, that is CD into CD, and that is AC into CF. So that is AC into CF is equal to CD square. So that is CD square is equal to AC into CF. So that is proof that of these things. Okay, thank you.